This project is actually written in the Rust to demonstrate a ETL with the SQLite. So basically, it will extract external data source from the internet and then do the transform and then load the data set into a SQLite database. Then it will run some SQL query on those database. So here's some quick demo of the what this project is doing. Okay, so first of all, we actually need to build the package using the cargo to build command. Yeah, and then after it's being built, we can actually run. The first thing we would do is to extract the data from the internet. So cargo run extract. So as you can see from the message, that the data was extracted to the database, the data set, which is a CSV file into the local system. So we can have a look into this listing.csv file. Basically, it's a data set of the Airbnb data. So you can see the Airbnb entries. So there actually are quite some attribute regarding those entries in Airbnb, including review, neighborhood, and the price. So you can find out more detailed from the document. So next step, I'm going to share the load part. So after data is being extracted, we're going to load into the SQLite database. So that is the command cargo run load. Right. So after it's being loaded, we can actually try to see what's going on in that SQLite database. So I define a query actually which do some data. Query will actually generate some statistic regarding the average night based on the neighborhood area. So this is the command cargo run query. Okay, you can see the total number of the entry in this Airbnb data table is around 3,000 something, right? And then it will actually do some internal group by manipulation, and then it will come up with the average night price based on different area or neighborhood. It's currently showing the top 5 of those neighborhood. And now we are going to insert some dummy data into this database. So I will run a command called cargo run insert. Okay, so that is done. And now I can query the current database entry. As you can see, there's one more entry added to this table. And this is the dummy one, which has the naming of dummy for the neighborhood name, and then the average price for per night of that entry is 1,000. 10,000. So now I'm going to update the price from 10,000 to 20,000 of that dummy entry. So I'm going to run cargo run update. Okay, after the update, let's see the query. Yes, as you can see, right, it becomes to 20K per night. Okay, so now I'm going to delete this dummy entry. Okay, and then to run the query again. Now you can see the number of the rows in the record has been dropped it, and then you won't see this dummy entry anymore, right? So yeah, so that's basically what this program is doing. And now I'm going to show you how I'm going to test this program. So I use the built-in cargo test function to to run those test cases. Basically, I create 3 different test cases to test the query function, extract and load process, and insert, update, and delete. So that's the main functionality of this program. And you can find out more detail in the documentation of the README. And if you have interest to look more or look deep into it, just ping me. Thank you.